Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix there was an error connecting to the Apple ID server on iPhone in iOS 17. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Method 1. Use a verification code. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap Apple ID. On the Apple ID page, tap Password and Security. Scroll down, tap Get Verification Code. Enter this verification code into the iPhone with the error to fix it completely. Method number 2. Reset network setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap Reset network setting. Enter your phone passcode. Again, reset network setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Method number 3. Change Apple ID password. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap Apple ID. Tap Password and Security. Tap on Change Password. Enter your iPhone passcode. Enter your new password and verify password. Tap on Change it. Method number 4. Set date and time automatically. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Date and Time. Turn on Set automatically. Method number 5. Turn off and on Wi-Fi network. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap on Wi-Fi. Turn off Wi-Fi. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Thanks for watching this video.